Hello folks, Ernest Emerson here from Emerson Knives, and I have today the Emerson Model A-100. And this is a very, special knife for me because it goes all the way back to the days when I was making knives in my garage, way back in the 70s. And a really smart guy one time told me, he said, Ernie, you got to understand the ultimate expression of evolution is simplicity. And you can't get much simpler than the Emerson Model A-100. It is a symmetrical design. If you drew a line directly through this knife on center, everything is the same on the top as it is on the bottom. And it's got a great spear point type of blade that you can use for just about anything. That point finishes dead on center line. Again, that straight line all the way out, so that anytime you were to push to poke it into something or stab something, all your force is going to be directed right on the end of that point. You're not going to lose any efficiency. It is a double V ground blade, meaning that it is ground on both sides, so that you can see it's got that conventional type of edge on it. And it has got G10 handles, which are impervious to any kind of oil, gasoline, water, whatever you might have that knife exposed to. It lasts forever, basically. It's got our signature see-through design so that you can clean out, and if any kind of debris or dirt gets up in there, you can use a stick to get it out or wash it out with water, whatever you want to do. You can see on the back side it's got a clip, a pocket clip, so you can carry it in your pocket. You can see that lanyard hole right there if you want to attach a lanyard to it. It is put together with these little back spacers in here. We call them standoffs that are screwed in from both the top and the bottom. And we've got 3 of them in that knife to make sure that it's got very strong overall construction. It uses a 250 diameter, that's a 1/4 inch diameter pivot bolt. You won't find that on pretty much not on any factory knives out there because we want that extra strength. And this knife is about, like I said, it's about as simple as you can get. And I have to think that's why it's still around after so many years. I mean, we're going on 30-40 years of this knife being in production. So there's a reason for that. If it wasn't any good, we wouldn't be making it because you wouldn't be using it. So you are the driving force behind this knife. And I want you to know that you can find the link to this knife down below in the description. And just want to tell you one more time, Emerson knives are the #1 hard use knives in the world, and I got to think that this A-100 knife is part of the reason for that. Thanks for watching.